Ever wondered what it feels like to live like a Nizam? Well, today I am taking you inside the Chomala Palace, the heart of Hyderabad's royal history. And trust me, this place is going to leave you speechless. हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल फॉर अनदर वीडियो। तो आज हम जाने वाले हैं चौमाला पैलेस विच इज राइट इन द मिडल ऑफ ओल्ड सिटी। इट्स अबाउट 17 किलोमीटर्स फ्रॉम आवर प्लेस और हमें अप्रोक्सीमेटली 1 आवर लगने वाला है जाने के लिए। तो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड।
तो करंटली वी आर ऑन आवर वे एंड इट स्टार्टेड रेनिंग वेरी हेवीली। अभी सुबह से तो क्लाउडी था बट वी वर नॉट एक्सपेक्टिंग इट माइट रेन दैट मच। तो वी आर स्टिल थिंकिंग कि विल गो टू द चौमाला पैलेस बिकॉज हम ऑलरेडी 3-4 हफ्ते से वी वर पोस्टपोनिंग दिस प्लान बट टुडे विल डेफिनेटली विजिट इन स्पाइट ऑफ द रेन।
This place is right in the middle of the old city and very short drive from Charminar. As soon as you enter this place, you will find a very royal garden, fountain and very calm and peaceful vibe here. Entry ticket for this place is ₹100 for adults for Indians, and for foreigners it is ₹400. And if you're planning to do a mobile photography, that is additional ₹50. Professional photography is not allowed here. Chomala means 4 palaces and we will be covering all these 4 palaces now one by one. This place was built 200 years ago by Nizams और यहाँ पर उनका royal residence होता था. So right behind me is Khilwat Mubarak Hall. It used to be the main Darbar hall during the royal time. So the Nizam throne used to be right in the middle and the entire court gathered around. Can you imagine the grandeur that was there right in that era? Just look at these Belgian crystal chandeliers. They just look amazing. This place is a living museum. यहाँ पर आपको बहुत सारे artifacts देखने मिलेंगे जो कि बहुत पुराने हैं. Those includes crockeries, currencies, attires and a lot many things, including some antique cars as well. Chomala Palace is one of the greatest legacies of Nizams. यहाँ पर आपको अंदर बहुत ही सुंदर सा आर्ट कलेक्शन देखने को मिलेगा. एग्जिबिट में आप निज़ाम एरा के ज्वेलरीज, अटायर्स, वेपन्स सब चीज़ें देख सकते हो एंड फ्रॉम दैट यू कैन टेक एन आइडिया दैट निज़ाम्स वर पैशनेट अबाउट आर्ट एंड आर्किटेक्चर. पैलेस का जो डिज़ाइन है दैट इज़ अ मिक्स ऑफ पर्शियन, इंडो-सैरेनिक, राजस्थानी एंड यूरोपियन कल्चर एंड इट इज़ रियली ब्यूटिफुल. One of my favorite part of Chomala Palace is this open courtyard. This is very peaceful, photogenic and you feel like you have stepped back in time. So timing for this place is 10 AM to 5 PM. 5 PM के बाद काउंटर बंद हो जाता है and you are supposed to vacate the place by 5:30. अगर आप यहाँ पर आने का प्लान कर रहे हो तो keep in mind कि आपको पूरा अगर अच्छे से एक्सप्लोर करना है तो it is going to take you about 2 to 3 hours. और आप यहाँ पर आओ तो बहुत ही comfortable shoes पहन कर आओ क्योंकि it involves a lot of walking. Best time to visit this place is either early morning or late afternoons to avoid the crowd and the heat. इस टाइम पे तो वेदर बहुत अच्छा है और सुबह के टाइम पे लोग भी थोड़े कम हैं but the crowd increases as the day passes by. Now after visiting the Mahals, it's time to visit one of the most interesting sections, which is the vintage car section. So this section includes a lot of buggies and cars back from the Nizam era And the most famous is the Rolls Royce from year 1912. And it looks so amazing. So this is the buggy section. These are a bit rustic, but that's the charm of it. और ये सब देख के you can imagine how grand it used to be back in that days. Construction of this place started in 7051 AD by Nawab Salabat Jung. So he added so many mahals during his reign. So this is a 12-acre area which comprises of 4 mahals, 1 buggy khana and a very grand clock tower. These mahals are all symmetrical around the water body जो हमने center में देखा था शुरू में. In some parts of the palace there is renovation work going on which I feel is very nice to preserve the history and the grandeur of this place. If you want to experience the royal heritage of Hyderabad, then Chomala Palace is a must visit. And if you are here for only few days, I would suggest to keep this place in your itinerary and enjoy the architecture and the peace that you will find here. Charminar is very close to this place, so I would say if you are planning a trip here, try to combine it with your old city tour, including the Charminar, Lad Bazaar and the famous Bangal Bazaar. So when are you planning your trip here? Let us know in the comment section. Also, if you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to like and share it with your friends. Also, subscribe us to know more hidden gems in and around Hyderabad. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, happy wandering!